Good day, Joanne here from Investing in Canada 101. And this is part 2 of the Tax-Free Savings Account in Canada Explained, TFSA. Today we're going to look at contributions. What can you contribute and how does it all work? Let's get started. Really quickly, actually, if you are new to my videos or channel, welcome. I do videos about how to invest in Canada, be it real estate, be it stocks, be it other investment modes. And I share tips and tricks on how to manage your personal finances well. So if you find value there, I welcome you to hit the subscribe button and also to hit the bell button below so you'll be notified whenever we go live or upload a new video. Let's get into today's content. So you get first of all, there's an annual amount of contribution for year, and it is the same value for anyone above the age of 18, regardless of their income. You get the full contribution room for the year you turn 18, regardless of when you turn 18 in that year. So if you've turned 18 this month in May, then you get $5,000 to contribute, $6,000 to contribute to your TFSA this year. If you turn 18 in December, on December 25th, let's say, you will still get the same $6,000 in contribution available to you in this year. Contribution room is cumulative. So if you were 18 last year and you didn't contribute, then that $6,000 of contribution room rolls forward to this year, and 6,000 contribution is added to this year, so you can contribute up to $12,000 in this year, and the roll forward is indefinite. If you withdraw in this year, say you withdraw $1,000, that does not impact your contribution room for this year. So your contribution room of $5,000 does not go up to $6,000. It only gets adjusted at the beginning of the following year. So any withdrawals you make in this year, your contribution room gets increased at the beginning of the next year that you can replenish what you took out. Some people may not know this, but contributions don't only have to be in cash. Contributions can be in kind as well. And if it's an in-kind contribution, say, for example, you had stocks in an unregistered open investment vehicle that you want to transfer into your tax-free savings account, you can do that. And just for tax purposes, you'd have what we call a deemed disposal at the time of transfer. So depending on your purchase price and the value at the time you transfer, you may have a taxable gain or loss. Contribution limits are not impacted by the income earned or losses sustained on investments within the tax-free savings account. So say, for example, you invested $1,000 this year and you earned $200 of income on that $1,000 within the tax-free savings account. That $200 does not impact ever your contribution limit. So you contributed $1,000, there was a $6,000 contribution limit for this year, you earned $200, your contribution limit will still stay an additional $5,000 for this year. Likewise, if you contributed $1,000 and you lost $200, so now your investment is only worth $800, your contribution limit will still be the $6,000 minus $1,000 of $5,000 for this year. Maybe you have been resident in Canada for a while and you didn't realize that you could have a tax-free savings account, or you're not 100% sure about all the withdrawals and contributions you did during the past couple of years, and you want to know what your contribution limit is for this year. Well, you can find that out by going to log on to my account or my CRA with the federal government or CRA. Here's a quick summary of all the tax-free savings account limits since the date of inception. So 2009 was the first year that the tax-free savings account went live, and the limit was $5,000 each year up until 2012. The tax-free savings account limit for 2013 and 2014 was 5,500. There was an exceptional year in 2015 where the tax-free savings account dollar limit was doubled to 10,000 just for that year. And then in 2016 and 2018, it went back. 2016, 2017, and 2018, it went back to 5,500. And then from 2019 until current date so far, as of 2020, which is the time I'm recording this video, it is 6,000 per year. So that's part 2 of the tax-free savings account 101 here in Investing in Canada 101 YouTube channel. Stay tuned for part 3.